I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your pancakes taste better. Start by ensuring your ingredients are fresh, especially your leavening agents. The real game changer is using buttermilk. It reacts with baking soda to create a light, fluffy pancake with a delightful tang. Remember, a slightly lumpy batter is ideal, as overmixing develops gluten, leading to tough pancakes. This simple step makes a huge difference. Achieving the perfect pancake also depends on your cooking technique. Preheat your griddle to a consistent medium heat, around 375 degrees Fahrenheit, for even browning. Use a 1/4 cup measure for each pancake to ensure they cook uniformly. Wait until you see bubbles forming on the surface and the edges look set before flipping. This indicates they are ready for their turn. To truly elevate your pancake flavor, consider some simple additions. A teaspoon of good quality vanilla extract can add a wonderful warmth and depth. For a subtle spice, a pinch of cinnamon or nutmeg works wonders. If you're adding mix-ins like fresh berries or chocolate chips, fold them in gently at the very end to avoid crushing them or overmixing the batter. These small touches make a big impact. Finally, how you serve your pancakes can enhance the experience. For the best texture and warmth, serve them immediately off the griddle. A simple trick to elevate your breakfast is to gently warm your maple syrup. It makes a surprisingly luxurious difference. Garnish with fresh berries, a dusting of powdered sugar, or a dollop of whipped cream for a beautiful presentation. Enjoy your perfectly delicious pancakes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.